In the beginning, creating a cryptocurrency required skill, code, audits, liquidity, time. Then came a platform that removed all of it. One click, one token, instant market. This is the story of Pump.fun, the launchpad to industrialized meme coins, the factory behind Solana's token explosion, and the chaotic machine that turned speculation into spectacle. Crypto once celebrated builders, then it celebrated traders, then it celebrated memes. Attention became currency, virality became value, and Pump.fun optimized for both. Launching a token used to require smart contract deployment, liquidity provisioning, technical knowledge, upfront capital. Most people couldn't participate. Pump.fun removed the barrier. Anyone could launch. Anyone. Pump.fun is a token launch platform on Solana. It allows users to create a token instantly, trade it immediately, and use automated bonding curves. No coding, no pre-seeded liquidity pools, no complex setup, just momentum. Tokens launched on Pump.fun follow a bonding curve model. Price increases as demand increases. Early buyers pay less, late buyers pay more. If enough volume is reached, liquidity is automatically added to a DEX. The market decides survival. Thousands of tokens launched daily. Some lasted minutes, some lasted hours. A few reached millions. Memes spread across X, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and TikTok. Speculation became entertainment. With speed came risk, rug pulls, pump and dumps, extreme volatility. Most tokens collapsed. The factory produced winners and wreckage. Pump.fun succeeded because it understood. Crypto runs on narrative. Memes move faster than fundamentals. Low friction increases participation. It wasn't about utility, it was about velocity. Pump.fun thrived on Solana because low fees, high speed, retail accessibility. Micro-speculation became economically viable. The casino ran 24/7. When token creation becomes instant, accountability becomes blurred. Who is responsible? The creator? The platform? The trader? Regulators began watching. Pump.fun didn't innovate in consensus, it innovated in culture. It gamified token launches. It compressed hype cycles. It turned DeFi into social media. Finance became viral. Today, Pump.fun is one of the most active token launchpads, a driver of Solana volume, and a symbol of speculative crypto culture. Not infrastructure for institutions, infrastructure for attention. Pump.fun represents the democratization of token creation, the gamification of markets, the speed of modern speculation, the chaos of permissionless finance. It is freedom without guardrails. Will instant tokens remain a phase or become the norm? As AI creates memes and bots trade faster than humans, the cycle may accelerate. The barrier to creation is gone. Only attention remains scarce. Bitcoin challenged banks. Ethereum empowered developers. Pump.fun empowered everyone. This was the story of Pump.fun, the factory where memes became markets. This is Echoes of the Past.